Hi, my name is Taylor Darnell. I created my website called TaylorMade. I have a baking business. I bake cookies, pies, cakes, cupcakes, all you can think of. And so I just thought I might as well make a web page out of it. I will play music, but I don't think you can hear the music through the recording, so I'm just not going to do that. So my about page just talks about a little bit about my business and me. I was born in Youngstown, Ohio, raised in Columbus, Ohio. Always been a baker, always liked baking and cooking. And I just talk about like different things I can do and how I make everything from scratch and homemade and et cetera, et cetera. So this is the order page. It kind of just gives people the choice of what they can order, but they can order more. I tried to do the cart uh, thing, but it was like a software that I had to download that I wasn't able to download to do the cart, so it just I couldn't do it. So I just did like orders can be placed through the contact form, which is at the end, and then here's just a gallery of some of the things I can do, etc. And then here's the contact page. Again, this is where people put their name in, their email, what they will order, or if they're going to leave a comment, or etc. etc. And then it'll just be sent to my email. And yeah, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.